Let's clarify. Precision. Definitions. Listen. The project is finished to all intents and purposes. Looking beneath the shiny surfaces, by and large, we did a good job. Standing out from the crowd, the mob. For the most part, it went well. A success story that we can tell. To all intents and purposes, virtually, in the grand scheme of things, history. At the end of the day, finally, come what may, whatever will be. First and foremost, let me say we seize the day, we seize the day. With respect to the budget, we are fine. Regarding the deadline, draw the line. As regards the quality, it is high. We aim for the limit of the sky. In light of the facts, we must proceed, planting a future successful seed. To all intents and purposes, virtually, in the grand scheme of things, history. At the end of the day, finally, come what may, whatever will be. First and foremost, let me say we seize the day, we seize the day. Broadly speaking, on the whole, to a large extent, in essence, basically, but smarter.